Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to install a limiter in the scooter. The system works very simple. There is an on-off switch, a ground and a positive. You connect the positive wire to the pickup cable and the black wire to a ground point. We have already found the pickup coil cable for this specific scooter online. That is the blue-white cable. The pickup coil looks like this and is mounted on the outside of the flywheel. Connect the red wire of the limiter to the blue-white wire of the pickup coil. I am connecting the positive cable of the limiter between the plug connector of the pickup cable. Because we want to test the ordered limiter first to see if it works properly. This is what the set looks like. It is a limiter with an adjustable rev controller. And you operate it easily with this on and off switch. Next you connect the black wire of the limiter to a ground point. In this case we are mounting the cable directly to the ground of the battery itself. And the limiter is now ready to use. Thanks for watching and see you next time.